Hiya, welcome to another allotment vlog. Again, my throat is not doing so well, so please ignore my voice. Today I'm going to be sowing some more things since I've made some room in the beds. We've got spinach, red lettuce and some more pak choi because I went through that like crazy. But first thing I did when I got here today, I had to weed this bed because it was absolutely jam-packed with weeds, and it's not perfect but it's getting there. So I got some room there and room there to sow some more seeds, and I also tamed this pumpkin plant yesterday before leaving. So at the moment I think we've only got the one pumpkin left, which is this one. I can't seem to see any more fruit. I accidentally knocked one yesterday, so there's one over there waiting for me, but I trimmed the one that went down there, and to be honest, if there's no more growing then I can cut this back a bit more, which is something I should really do now. I just made like a little pile that you can see behind me yesterday. I'll add to that now and then I'll check on the compost heap. So yeah, I've got a butternut squash plant here and then I've got the pumpkin plant there, but to be honest I think I might be able to pull that out today because nothing's growing on it. However, we do have some butternut squash growing. He's growing there. There's one right on it on the end, and then we've even got one here. Covered in slime at the moment, which is gross. So yeah, I'm going to trim back this pumpkin plant. If there's nothing left on it, he's coming out at some point today, make some room for something else. So this is all that's left of him. He's going to come out. That's the end of him, so goodbye. That's all going to go on the compost heap. Quick update on the compost heap itself. I put some cardboard down, then some grass clippings, then some more cardboard down yesterday. So I'm going to just put the scraps from the pumpkin plant in here now. Done. Okay, on to the fun bit. I'm going to be sowing some new pak choi in the bed where the Brussels sprouts were originally before they died. So these are the ones I am going for. They were really nice when they were over in that bed over there, so I'm hoping for some more now before winter sets in. Let's have a look what we got. I'm trying to space them out quite generously. Okay, so if we're lucky we'll have 8 pak choi in this bed. Hopefully I didn't plant them too deep, but yeah, 1.5 rows of pak choi. In this bed I'm going to sow some spinach, and I think I'm going to do a row there and maybe like a weird row there. Last but not least, I'm going to be planting 1 row of red salad lettuce, but only the 1 row because I don't even know if I like this lettuce. I know I like the green stuff, and I do have a package in the house, so I'm waiting to find it, but this came free with a magazine, so I thought why not just have a go. So I'm going to do 1 row and then see what happens. So considering I just said I don't even know if I like this, I sowed quite a lot, so I'll definitely have a lot to taste, and something keeps making noises in my shed and I'm scared. I don't know where it is. I've been to check. Okay, I'm gonna have a look again. Don't know what it is. Nothing. I mean, it's a mess, that's what it is, but I keep hearing noises. Unless somebody's working over there, I don't know, but I'm getting a bit scared. Anyway, I think in terms of those seeds, all I need to do now is just water them in, give them a little bit of water, give them a drink, and then fingers crossed they'll all germinate and I'll have some more vegetables before the the winter starts. Okay, so I didn't film any of that, but they have all been watered now, so fingers crossed they grow. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to see the next one. Thank you, bye.